Oh my god, he has to like kill himself? Woo! Oh shit! He woke up before the Hashira, before Rengoku. Look at the little hands! Look at the little fingers! I gotta adopt the Nezuko. Is this possible? That's so sick that he's still choking her like that. Ooh, my ex would have loved if I had this power. Where did she get this power from? She could firebend? You're telling me Nezuko could firebend? Yeah, pet her, yeah, oh! Fuck any animal in this world, it's all about Nezuko now. Yeah, what are you doing, girl? You have tuberculosis. Oh my god, they are sick! Oh my god, I made that joke. I was like, do these kids have like cancer or something? Am I gonna start feeling bad for them? And they are sick. Wow, I'm going to hell. I mean, I was going there to begin with, but now I'm going to the deepest depths of hell. Satan, make room for me, buddy. Oh shit. He's right, Tanjiro. Like, the demons taking advantage of their weak souls. Wow, man. Only anime does shit like this, I swear to God. Tanjiro is Jesus. Oh my god. Who wrote this? What are you going through in life? I'll give you a hug. Oh my god. Oh, that's beautiful, man. This kid is on the verge of death, being controlled by this high-class demon. And within Tanjiro's soul, how calm and how peaceful it is and how hopeful it is. It changed his heart and it made him realize what he was doing was wrong. That is such a beautiful story right there. The change of heart that this kid had because of how beautiful and pure Tanjiro's heart and soul is so metaphorical. I low-key wanted to see Nezuko's dream. That would have really killed me. That would have murdered me. I'd be dead. You'd see my fucking carcass reacting to this. Oh shit. Oh my god. That won't be a dream. What kind of sick thing was that to say? You think Tanjiro would have rather seen his family slaughtered in his dreams than what he just saw? Oh my god. Oh, this guy's evil. He's pure evil. There ain't no tragic backstory. Y'all better not show me no fucking tragic backstory for this guy. He has no tragedy. He was born like this. I don't give a fuck. I don't care if his parents beat him to death as a kid. Nah. I ain't feeling bad for this dude. It's because he's Tanjiro Kamado. That's why. He's the main character of Demon Slayer. This guy's about to cream his pants because of Tanjiro waking up from his dream. He's like, oh. Oh, he got a stiffy right now. He got a demon stiffy. He came right to me. Something else came too. Oh my god, this is sick. We're getting straight to the main battle now. There's another hour left in this movie. What are they doing? Is this an hour-long fight? That's right. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's falling asleep each time. This guy tells him to wake up or to go to sleep. And he has to kill himself each time. Yo, that's some sick storytelling right there, man. You're fucking with the main character now, big boy. You know how strong you have to be to go through this? This is fucking hell. This is like his worst nightmare right now. Oh shit.
よくものうのうと生きてられるわね。言うはずがないだろう、そんなこと。俺の家族が俺の家族を侮辱するな。
Oh my god! Oh shit! No way! He ain't dead though. Wait, how much time is left in this fucking movie? It's another hour!
すごくよくわかったよ。存在自体がなんかこう、その顔、そういう顔を見たくてほしいよね。
Tanjiro's fighting a floating dick.
はなくなっていたからだよ。今喋っているこれ。
I think I just put it together. It's called Mugen Train. Is the train him? Or am I thinking way too crazy? This is what anime does to me. It's put me in this mindset where I think irrational things when I start thinking like I'm in the anime. Is he the train? Like, is that him? Yo, I just said that! I'm a demon. I'm convinced I'm a demon now. I can't believe it. This guy is the train. Where is Nezuko? Hey! Explosive awakening. Dude has a move for waking up. Wait, I mean, I've had explosive awakenings. If you know what I mean. Definitely, I've definitely had some of those, so I can relate. The whole train is a demon. Oh my god. Yo, that's right. In his dream, the train was a demon. It's like Inosuke knew this shit. Beast made it. Dang, come on, baby. Oh. Worship me, you fucking demon. Below me. Lord Inosuke, Ashabila, I didn't even know that was his last name. Man, you gotta get Zenitsu up. You gotta get the Hashira up. What is he doing? Now he's fighting two dicks. Oh, it's over. You're getting double penetrated now, Tanjiro. But I feel like Tanjiro can handle double penetration. Quadruple penetration. He's fine. Tanjiro's inside the demon right now. This guy's getting all the action. He has like 200 plus people inside of him. Pretty much like my ex. Oh no. Oh my god. This is gonna be the best movie ever, isn't it? Oh shit. Oh my god. We're gonna see the full power of each member of this fucking show, aren't we? Oh my god. Get it, girl! I don't know how to... Let's go, baby! This is the sickest shit ever. This is the best fucking movie I've ever seen, man. Oh, Six fold! Yeah, baby! That's how you wake him up. Oh, now he's done. He's done for the movie now. You've done enough. You've done enough. This right here. It's my new phone background. Hold on. Y'all thought I was joking? Look, new phone background right here. Cutest thing I've ever seen. Zenitsu must be up. Yeah, I think so, bro. I don't think anyone else is Zeus. Can this fucker wake up already? Is he too busy getting mauled by his father in his dreams? Wake up! Is he up? Oh my god, he's up, daddy's up! Oh my god, get the fuck out of here! Get out of here, man! This is the sickest shit ever! Damn right this is a movie, I'll protect the five. Look at this train, man. The train is a demon. You cannot look at Inosuke without smiling. Unless he's depressed. Then I'll cry. But whenever else he's on screen, I'm always smiling every single time. It's impossible not to smile. Like, you just look at his character design, you're filled with happiness. Depression, it disappears. They really extended this fight to 2 hours. I can't believe this. Honestly, if this was 10 hours, I wouldn't even mind. This is just amazing. The animation, the fighting, the storytelling, everything. The music, especially, is insanity. Shoot! Shoot! I can't believe what I'm watching right now. The train has hands. Try explaining this scene to somebody that's never watched anime. That was some sick shit right there. What's that? I don't know how everyone on the train didn't wake up after that, because I woke up. Yo! Hurry up, hurry up. I know it's a movie, but come on. We're seeing their ultimate power in this movie from each character. There's still another 50 minutes. What do they have to do? Ufotable? I think that's what they're called. I think that's the name of this animation studio. But whoever animated this, Ufotable, whoever it is, you are perfect. You're perfect. This is something else. This is absolutely stunning. I've never seen animation like this good and this expressive. This is something else, man. Like look at this. Look at that. Like, Elon Musk, blow your entire budget on the studio, please, because I can't even imagine what they'd be able to do. Fuck Twitter, world hunger. Give it to the studio. We need more of this. This is what will make me survive. This will satisfy my hunger. I'm gonna get canceled for saying that, but fuck y'all. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. This is absolutely amazing. Like, listen to this. Listen to the passion that was put into every inch of this film. Tanjiro looking like the girl I was with last night. Oh man. Oh, that's right! Because he's wearing the boar mask. Like he's having a hard time, the demon. He just sacrificed himself for Inosuke. This is why I would not be a Hashira. I would never put somebody's life in front of mine like that. No, I'd throw that motherfucker off the train. I don't care what y'all think. Don't act like you wouldn't either. I ain't saving this dude. He just stabbed me with an injection. Oh my god, dude. I have the shivers right now. Oh! Liam, look, come on, baby! I forgot about him. How did I forget about him? That's how good Tanjiro is. Look at this!